Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito sa isang financial coach. Ayan, may isang financial coach kung saan siya po ay nagbibigay ng mga gabay, ayan, sa mga investors. Ayan, kaya po siya tinawag na financial coach. Siya po ay nagbahagi ng kanyang strategy para sa mga investor ng Ripple or XRP. Ayan, kung paano maging isang milyonaryo dito. Ayan, isa po itong napakagandang balita. Kaya bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, financial coach shares strategies for XRP investors to become millionaires. Yan, ano nga ba yung kanyang strategy dito? Prominent money coach shares strategies for XRP investors to become millionaires, including saving $3 a day and investing in XRP for the long term. Yan, long term daw po. Mukhang kakailanganan natin ng $3 a day kada araw na siyang ating ipapasok dito kay XRP for long term. Coach JV, ayan, siya po si Coach JV, yung tinutukoy na financial coach rito, the CEO of 3T Warrior Academy. Ayan, mataas po pala ang kanyang position dito. Yan. Recently shared strategies for XRP investors to become millionaires. Yan. In a recently posted video to X, JV noted that he was sharing the techniques he used to fight his previous financial predicament. Yan. Siya na rin mismo ay ginagamit niya rin mismo ang technique na ito. Millionaires will be made by this strategy. Ayan, marami daw pong magiging milyonaryo sa pamamagitan ng strategy na ito. Ayan, kanyang strategy. In the clip, JV mentioned his upcoming book detailing his blueprint for a financial breakthrough. He noted it will be a free PDF file, while he clarified that his words do not constitute financial advice. He noted that the book contained the steps he took in the last 5 years to attain his current feat. Ayan, meron po pala siyang ilalabas na libro na naglalaman sa kanyang tinutukoy na strategy na ito. Ito po ay naka-PDF at yan, libre po siya, free PDF file. Kaya ayan, naglalaman po ito ng kanyang lahat ng kanyang nalalaman, mga financial advices at saka yung kanyang strategy rito. Yan. In his word, it's not what you think. The strategies that I use are for generational wealth. We are not focused on the short term. We are focused on the long term. Yan, naka-focus po yung kanyang strategy dito para sa long-term investment strategy at hindi po sa short-term. Coach Javis' strategy. The financial coach revealed a significant shift in his investment strategy over time. He first highlighted the common misconception that becoming a millionaire in crypto automatically leads to financial security. Coach JV stressed that without a strong financial foundation and proper money management, individuals could find themselves in the same precarious situation even after achieving crypto success. Ayan. Kanya pong binigyang linaw na ang isang matibay na pundasyon ng isang ng ating financials ay yung tamang money management. Ayan, kaya dapat ay isa po ito siguro sa kanyang mga strategy, proper money management. Moreover, he said crypto now represents only a small portion of his diversified portfolio. He explained that he plans to exit the market when it experiences a parabolic rise when he anticipates in 2024 to 2025. Ayan. Konti lang na lamang daw po pala yung kanyang yung kanyang investment or yung kanyang portfolio dito sa crypto. Diyan tuluyan na nga siyang mag-i-exit sa market na ito or hindi na siya parang i-liquidate na siya yung kanyang investment dito sa crypto. At yan, hindi na muli siyang babalik rito. Parang iiwanan niya na ang crypto. Yan, pagkatapos raw, pero ito ay kanyang gagawin pagkatapos raw na magkaroon ng parabolic rise Ayan, sa kanyang inaasahan, ayan, kanyang inaasahan na magaganap ayan, sa taong 2024 to 2025. Interestingly, the financial coach claimed to draw inspiration from legendary investor Warren Buffett. He urged viewers to consider small daily savings, such as cutting out energy drinks. He believes the fund can accumulate over time to provide a substantial investment fund. Ayan. Um, Sabi niya rito ay yung kanyang inspiration ay hango raw po ito sa sikat na investor na si Ginoong Warren Buffett. Ayan, magsisave lamang daw tayo ng kahit small amount lamang. Ayan, daily. Ayan, kung kailangan nating magtipid ay magtipid po tayo. Ayan, buy XRP gradually. Additionally, Coach JV provided a practical example of investing XRP. He said, save a $3 a day, and in 10 days you have $30. In 20 or 30 days you have $60. Do the math, guys. That's $60 you can put into XRP every single month. That would be like $90 to $100 you can put into XRP every single month. Ayan po yung kanyang example dito. $3 lamang daw a day. At yan, habang tumatagal ay mag-a-accumulate po yan at lumalaki ng lumalaki. Kaya yan, furthermore, Coach JV emphasized the importance of looking beyond XRP's short-term price fluctuations. He mentioned that when the market experiences parabolic growth, he plans to maintain 50% of his portfolio in XRP while liquidating the remaining 50%. Ayan, yan po yung kanyang sinabi kanina. Moreover, he cited SBI Holdings' latest move to use XRP as a remittance currency in Asian countries. In terms of broader crypto investment, Coach JV advised viewers to select a few digital assets and other investments. He emphasized that it is crucial to act counter to the crowd. Moreover, Coach JV encouraged listeners to assess their expenses and make necessary lifestyle changes. He also cited reducing unnecessary car payments. Ayan na nga. Sa madaling salita ay sinasabi po niya rito ay magtipid po tayo para tayo ay magkaroon ng fund sa ating investment or para mapunduhan natin yung ating investment. According to him, if you're driving a $700 car with a $700 car payment and you make $30,000 a year, that makes 0 sense. Get rid of it. Yan, tanggalin na lamang daw natin. Yan po yung sinabi niya rito. Ang kanyang halimbawa rito. At yan, ang masasabi ko naman dito sa balita na ito ay hindi naman po niya shinare yung kanyang strategy rito kasi sa tingin ko ay magiging mahaba po yung kanyang strategy kung pag-i-explain niya dito. Kaya ayan, i-download na lamang po natin yung kanyang libro. Free po ito, libre. Free na PDF, basahin po natin at malalaman po natin dito yung kanyang strategy. Pero kasi po sa kanyang mga pahayag rito, yan mga pahayag rito na konting kanyang share rito ay mukhang dadaanin po natin sa pagtitipid. Ayan, mahalaga po talaga yung magtipid. Kung hindi po natin kinakailangan na gumastos, ay mas maigi na ilagay na lamang natin ito sa ating investment. Ayan, kung meron tayong extra at sasabihin natin na hindi natin alam kung saan natin ito ilalagay, ay mas maganda na ilagay na lamang natin ito sa ating investment. Ayan, at long term, kikita pa yan. At yan, ang masasabi ko rito at hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.